Chapakali. As part of the transformation of our nation, it is the same transformation we see in the education sector, where in just 3 years we have hired and recruited over 120,000 teachers, and we are delivering 23,000 new classrooms and 1,600 new laboratories are being built, particularly in underserved and rural areas. At the same time, we have introduced a student-centered funding model that places resources where they belong truly, with the learners. I am sure, the Secretary General of KUPPET is right here. I am sure Mr. Oyu from Kenya National Union of Teachers is right here. And they can confirm that the huge shortage of teachers that was there in 2022